Welcome to Icelandic State Park, a peaceful sanctuary offering a glimpse into the rich past of North Dakota. Nestled among the trees, you'll find a variety of spacious and shaded campsites. Ideal for every type of camper seeking a peaceful retreat in the park. For a taste of outdoor adventure, hit the swim beach and splash in the summer sun. On the shores of Lake Renwick, you'll find plenty of spots to fish with your family. Your kids will get hooked once they catch their first perch. Or explore the water by renting a paddleboard, canoe, or kayak to find tranquil views from beyond the shoreline. And even when the park freezes over, you can still have fun cross-country skiing and snowshoeing. Icelandic has miles of trails winding through both the park and its historic 200-acre Gunnlaugson Nature Preserve, a biodiverse sanctuary for plants, birds, and wildlife. Feeling adventurous? Take advantage of our bike share program, offering rentals near the visitor center or campground host site. Have an unforgettable day out by enjoying the playground, relaxing at the amphitheater, or participating in engaging interpretive programs led by our knowledgeable rangers. At the park entrance, you'll discover several historical buildings available for touring. Explore the Pioneer Heritage Center, where you can delve into the stories of settlers who played a pivotal role in shaping the landscape we see today. With an abundance of outdoor activities and educational experiences, our park promises a perfect day in nature. Make memories where history was made at Icelandic State Park.